Little Red Hen. That's me, my favorite hat on, doing laundry. Happy as can be. Once upon a time, a cat, a dog, a mouse, and a little red hen all lived together in a cozy little house. There's my mailbox. The cat liked to sleep all day on the soft couch. The dog liked to nap all day on the sunny back porch. And the mouse liked to snooze all day in the warm chair by the fireside. But man, all my friends are sleeping. So the little red hen had to do all the housework. She cooked the meals and washed the dishes and made the beds. She swept the floor and washed the windows and mended the clothes. Woof! I'm tired. She raked the leaves and mowed the grass and hoed the garden. One day, when she was hoeing the garden, she found some grains of wheat. Who will plant this wheat? Cried the little hen. I cried because I wonder if anyone's going to help me. Everyone's sleeping, and I really think we should. Not I, said the cat. Oh, no, I, said the dog. Not I, said the mouse. Okay, then I will, said the little red hen, and she did. Each morning, the little red hen watered the wheat, and soon the wheat pushed through the ground and began to grow tall. And my, was it beautiful. I couldn't wait to show my friends. When the wheat was ripe, the little red hen asked, "Who will cut the wheat?" What do you guys think they said? Again, all three of them, my best friends who I live with. Not I, said the kitty. Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the mouse. Then I will, said the little red hen, and she did. And I did, guys, and I honestly tell you, it was a lot of work, lots and lots of work, all by myself. I almost hurt myself carrying all that wheat, but I did it. I'm proud of myself. And when the wheat was all cut, the little red hen asked, "Now, who will take the wheat to the mill to be ground into flour?" Because, reader friends, that's the only way you're going to make bread or any kind of yummy baked goods. But guess what? Even though my friends love yummy food, love pastries and bread, guess what they said? Not I, said the cat. No, said the dog. Not I, said the mouse. Should have known. Then I will, said the little red hen, and she did. These guys are pretty lazy friends, don't you see? They've said no to me over and over again. The little red hen returned from the mill carrying a small bag of fine white flour. But once again, wouldn't you know it, my friends, my animal friends said again, "Not I," said the cat. "No, I," said the dog. "Not I," said the mouse. Now, reader friends, can you predict how I feel about that? They haven't helped me with much at all this whole time. I told you sometimes they're inconsiderate friends. Would you help me make a cake if you live with me? If you were my friend? I think I'd help anyone make a cake. But I did it by myself. And I said, "Then I will," said the little red hen. And she did. She gathered sticks and made a fire in the stove, and then she took milk and sugar and eggs and butter and mixed them all in a big bowl with fine white flour. When the oven was hot, she poured the cake batter into a shiny pan and put it in the oven. That's a nice recipe. She has to follow it very carefully in order, just as you should if you're doing any kind of ingredient recipe. Just like this book's in order, recipes must be in order. Soon, delicious smells filled the cozy little house. The cat got off the soft couch and strolled into the kitchen. I wonder what he wants. The dog got up from the sunny back porch and came into the kitchen. Then the mouse jumped down from his warm chair and scampered into the kitchen. Make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen next? Do you think I'm going to give them cake? Do you think that there is going to be a cake? What's going to happen next? Are they going to still be sleepyheads? Let's see if you're right. I asked them, who will eat this cake? I will, cried the cat. I will, said the dog. I will, said the mouse. Do you think I gave it to him? Would you? Bum, bum, bum. But the little red hen said, all by myself, I planted the wheat. I tended the wheat. I cut the wheat. I took the wheat to the mill to be ground into flour. And all by myself, I gathered the sticks. I built the fire. I mixed the cake. And all by myself, I'm going to eat it. Ugh, I was mad. Can you tell? Look at that long list of things I've done all by myself. And they just kept saying no. And so she did. To the very last crumb. Look at those mouths, they're hungry. I wonder if I did the right thing. Should I have shared? Whenever there was work to be done, though, after that, the little red hen had 3 very eager helpers. Don't you like their little cleaning hats? The end. Now I want you to try to put that story back together in your mind, in order, just like the ingredients in a recipe. What's the first thing that happened, the next thing that happened, and the final thing that happened?